This is DAT Audio 1 and I am lazy. This is 30 cm ink time machine. Has 7 days working. Printer head area. Copying area. Head clean. After head clean, clean the wiper. Nozzle check. The ink system is good. This is the waste tank. This is the ABR and ground wire. This is a new supplies and a new supply. And a new supply. Printer daily checklist. This is my printer daily checklist. Consumable in use. 1 consume cyan, 1 consume magenta, 1 consume yellow, black, 2 consume white ink wap, 1 consume DTF resin powder, 1 DTF film, and cleaning solution. Wholesale log sheet. As of October 16 to 22, I have 240 meters plan na run last week. Thank you.